Aditi, a first year physiotherapy student, and welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be like a vlog. So I have my biochemistry exams this Monday, which is 11th of August, and today is 7th of August, I guess. Today is a Thursday. So we have like 3 days left for the exams, and we are preparing very well because biochemistry exam is an internal exam. So usme we won't have university. So this is the only one exam I have to give, and I have to pass those exams. So we will be preparing for that. Abhi it is around 7:45. I took a shower early today. I washed my hair also, and I changed it to the top. But now I'll just get back and change into my kurti. I'm wearing this wali kurti today, so I'll change into my kurti. I've been studying biochem since 1 hour, like less than 1 hour, I guess. I did lipids basically. I did ketone bodies, ketogenesis, ketosis, or functions of cholesterol. By the way, I can't study ऐसे देखे देखे, so what I do, I make my own notes also. And भले मेरा वो question अच्छे से नहीं हुआ, and then in the end के 2-3 days I'll keep reading my notes only. So when I write things, I understand better. So this is how I study. So now I'm getting late. I have to pack my tiffins. Also, a lot of things need to be done. So yeah, let's get started. Bye. How to explain this, but these days I have been loving to do my skincare routine, and this is mine. I really have been, I've used it, I'm using it for since a week. I really like this serum. Only 2 drops are very enough, but I have been using it since like 4-5 days, but I really like how my skin looks. By the way, at night I'm supposed to apply a moisturizer and sleep. I did that for 3 days. I forgot to apply that yesterday night. I'll apply it from today. That's it. Over this, I'll apply my sunscreen because sunscreen is the. By the way, I have Lamka sunscreen also, but I'll finish. This is thoda only left now because this entire thing is done. People use that 3-finger wala thingy, but I don't think that really makes sense to me. Sorry for all the background noise. My mic is not charged. Why can't I shut it? I am thoda sa late today, and I just got a notification that my partner is also late. We are not getting a good place to sit today. Both of us are running late, but then we'll figure out. Lately, I used to miss out on sunscreen and not be very serious. But when I've gotten new products, I'm very serious, and I honestly want to finish the sunscreen so I can start using the other one. We are good to go. Not applying the body lotion. I'll go get my tiffins. That's it. And be okay. एक इसका रोल देखो कैसा हुआ. This is my mom has done it. Now look at this. इतना proper. इस पे कोथमीर नहीं है because this is for someone who doesn't eat coriander. But still, look at the shaping. I am leaving for college. I am late. It is 8:15. I usually leave by 8:10, I guess. Not 8:05. Because I catch 8:18 or 8:25. Leave it by. It is raining a lot. And I'm wearing a white legging. My white leggings from brown has become a brown leggings. Can't help. Okay guys, I'm studying biochem. This is my book and I'm doing minerals right now. And also I like to note down things. I'm writing down a few things. By the way, okay, I can't keep I want to show you all my new comb. So this is my new comb. For the very first time, I'll be trying neem wood ka comb. This smells also thoda herbal for some reason, but I feel it will look amazing. 150 rupees. It is written color natural brown. This one is neem. Neem medicine plant. healthy scalp by increasing blood circulation. My mom is yelling at someone, ignore that. Reduces dandruff and prevents itching. Neem wood comb allows nourish the hair and keep it from becoming greasy and preventing breakage and hair loss. This semen is also very nice. Now should I try combing my hair up only? So let me see how do I feel. You have been using the it doesn't feel, but I feel there's sort of more less grip to, but fine. I'll use this and let you all know what you all think about it. For now, I'll just pack it only. But let's continue studying biochem. Today is Thursday, so today I'm studying properly, and I'll try to cover most of all the important things. उसके बाद we have Friday, so tomorrow we don't have college. I don't know why, but it is something like locally सबको ही छुट्टी है और my friends के college में also there is छुट्टी. And then we have Saturday, there is Raksha Bandhan. So I'll be going to my brothers and everything का place. So Saturday almost waste आएगा. So I have today whatever time left. It is currently 8:45, and then I have tomorrow Friday, and then I have Sunday. So we will try to figure out entire biochemistry in that time. I would say that I'm at an okay level, but I don't want to make myself feel that I'm doing extremely well and all of that. So yeah, let's get back to studying now. It's not that I'm like bored, because that's why if I don't not get bored, I write down things. Okay, bye. So I'm using ChatGPT and a lot of PDFs from my phone because I'm very lazy to turn on my PC. So I'm not putting any time lapse, but I'm genuinely studying. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. Hi, good morning everyone. Today is a Friday and I don't have college today. The best part, so I can study for my biochemistry exam very properly. So it is 9:30. I'm starting late, but I'm fine. I had a very good sleep after a very long time. And अभी मैंने ChatGPT खोला है इधर, and with the help of my notes and everything. First, I want to 12 o'clock because I have 12 o'clock at the night because I have a very good sleep. So I don't think I'll be feeling sleepy anytime soon. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm trying to study, but I'm getting distracted very easily. Right now I'm having this. This is basically ignore the top. But this is apples and chocolate oats, and I love how this tastes. Yeah. So we are making chocolate because tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan. तो यहाँ पे नीचे melted chocolate है. मम्मी हन के पिस्ताशियो वाली करनी है ना परी थी. मम्मी. अजी का छते आज फ्रेम में अच्छी ये हस्ती चॉकलेट निकाल दी थी और उसने वो ट्रे ही तोड़ दी है. तो अजी मजी खाने खा कोई पाप नहीं देगा. Now pistachio is added, so we'll add the layer of chocolates into it. Guys, I just took a nice shower. I'm trying to so I just took a very good shower. It is 2 o'clock right now. दोपहर की of course. And I'm very breathy. And now right now decided I'll start studying properly. So today my plan was to revise most of the things. So what I'm thinking is कि जो भी chapters are like important, like carbohydrates, proteins, enzymes and vitamins and nutrition. These 5 chapters के but at least vitamins is the most important, carbohydrates. तो इनके सब questions मैं एक बार revise कर लूँ अच्छे से. So at least high weightage वाले हो जाएंगे and then less work is left. So this is basically my plan of action for today. अभी सुबह को it's not that I couldn't study anything, like I did study, but then I was like making chocolate and helping my mom and everything. Then I ate my lunch and I'm just getting back to studying. Hi guys, good morning. it is Raksha Bandhan today, so almost the entire day I am out. But right now I have woken up to study. It is currently around 5:30. I'll be studying for like 1.5 hours. So yeah, let's get started. Thinker. Hi guys, good morning. It is 7:15 and start studying now. My hairs are very messy, leave them. Also 2024 के जो भी papers थे, term, prelim और वो सब, so my focus right now is to finish those and then start new ones. Okay. Studying biochemistry only. It is afternoon. I've taken a good shower. It starts from here. देन ये 2 स्टेप्स, फिर मेन बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन का आंसर आएगा जो ये है, फिर ये भी करना है, फिर ये भी करना है, फिर यहाँ उसके बाद से कीटोन बॉडी स्टार्ट होगा तो कीटोजेनेसिस, इसमें ये यहाँ तक कीटो एसिडोसिस तक. Hey guys, good morning. No, sorry, it's good night time because I'm just going off to sleep right now because I'm very tired. And today the entire day I have almost studied biochemistry. I don't know how much I've recorded, what I did. Just tried to finish all the important जो भी मुझे लगता है. And yeah, right now I'm just going to change my clothes and go to sleep. And tomorrow we will revise a lot of things. And जो भी थोड़ा बहुत I have to do new things and do that. And yeah, that's it. That is the update. And I'm a little stressed. There's a 50 mark ka exam and I need 26 marks to pass. And my goal is just to pass and not top because this is an internal exam, etc. etc. So yeah, see you all tomorrow morning. Hi guys, good morning. So it is 5:30. Today is my exam. So today we will be revising everything properly. तो अभी मैं chapter wise थोड़ा revise करूँगी. Yesterday I was revising थोड़ा important PYQs and questions के with respect में. So now yeah, let's get started. We'll start with carbohydrates. तो सब मैं उसका carbohydrates का metabolism करूँगी. फिर lipids तो उसका metabolism, like something like that we'll try to sort out. There are 22 chapters. Around 21-22 chapters, but सब तो नहीं होगा. We'll try to do what we can do. Start it. Just went and ate my breakfast. I had poha and right now I'm eating this almond, because this choco almond bite, something like that. and we are still revising. Right now I will be doing digestion of proteins, digestion of carbohydrates. उसके बाद आई विल डू न्यूट्रिशन. इतना ये 3 चीज़ करके आई विल गो टू शावर. आफ्टर आई विल कम एंड देन आई विल रिवाइज एवरीथिंग वंस, लाइक वाइटामिन सब कुछ. Just took a very good shower. It is currently almost 10 minutes to 10 and I'm wearing this top. I'll be wearing my kurti in some time, but abhi I still have 1 hour to myself to revise everything properly, so we shall be doing that. I have to mainly prioritize revising all the vitamins because vitamins is important. And also in vitamins I'm getting a little confused in the functions of it and everything. Because now hair, and yeah, that's it. After that then I eat my lunch and then leave for college. Around 11:30 I leave my home, so I reach 20-30 minutes before the exam starts. This is my new comb. This is the 100th time I'm telling you all about this. Just applying my face serum right now and I'll be applying sunscreen when I leave. Hello, the serum. By the way, as this is an internal exam, इसकी re-exam हो जाएगी. But I really need to pass this time because there are a lot of exams lined up for us आगे also, so I cannot spend my valuable time again preparing for biochemistry. And yeah, let's get started. Sunscreen and all my skincare products. I don't have a proper space to keep them for now because my room is always messy. You all will not be, don't be shocked to see this side of my room. इधर मतलब सब सामान है. मेरी कुर्ती, मेरी क्विक तो बैग, मेरा लैपटॉप स्टैंड, मेरा पाउच, हेडफोन्स, my बैग, my new pouch, some wrappers, some buckles. Sorry, bye. Hello guys, I'm ready to leave. I'm a little nervous कि पढ़ा है पर I hope that whatever I have studied comes in exam so I pass. It's currently around 11:35 I guess and I'm leaving for the exam. Hi guys, the last clip that you all saw was me going to give my exam. So I am right now back home, changed, and let me tell you all how my paper went. So I don't know if I told you all or not, but we had 10 questions out of which we had 11 questions out of which we had to write 10 questions. So when I got the question papers, a few questions like I knew very well. So I feel out of 11, 6 of them I knew very properly. So I thought that let's focus on the 6 first because the important thing is to pass. उसमें मैंने अच्छे से आई फील लिखा तो है. ऑफ कोर्स इन द मिडल आई केप्ट फॉरगेटिंग थिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बट आई फील आई डिड माई बेस्ट एंड आई होप आई पास. एंड उसके बाद 7th 8th 9th और 10th मैंने 10 अटैम्प्ट किया है, तो वो कंपैरेटिवली थोड़े से ऐसे हुआ है. बट द रेस्ट क्वेश्चंस आई डिड वेल इज़ व्हाट आई फील. So I feel with that, I hope I don't get to study biochem ahead and I pass this exam because this was an internal exam, no university, nothing. So I feel, yeah, this brings us to end of today's video. My nose is red because I've gotten max sardi for some reason. So with that, we come to end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, bye.